In today's video, I will teach you but how this voltmeter is worked. So these are a small little voltmeter, digital voltmeter, and what is the how to use and how it's worked and what is the inside of circuit diagram or everything. Now, first what you do. So there are DC voltmeter A to 30 volt, minimum A to maximum 30 volt. But there are other little meters that can measure 0 to 200 volts DC. I am use a table meter. It is only measure DC volt. But there are one more voltage you can give to constant 5 volt to turn on meter. Meter is internal circuit turn on with some source of constant 5 volt. But this test it is everything on build, so that's why you can need only single voltage. Just voltage you can measure it. Black is negative, which can be negative. Right now I am set this first line my 15 volt, 15.7 volt. Let's see it C is. And after explain how it's work. So it's got 2 milliamps and 15.7 volts input and 15.2 volts out. Only few volt 0.3 or 0.2 is difference, but there are, if you the more constant, then you adjust this potentiometer and use them. I can show you how it's work. Just little bit remove the tap for showing. Just there are 7 LO5 regulator, which regulator is regulated input voltage between 8 to 30 volts to constant 5 volts, which then turn on this backside IC. This IC is, and there's an input smoothing capacitor and the 5 volt smoothing capacitor for IC power, and this is smooth for main input, and this is polarity protection diode 1 and 4007. It is a 1000 microfarad 16 volt capacitor and 16 volt 470 microfarad capacitor. And there are 7 segment display, 7 segment into 3 display. What display is what I tell after. So this is a regulator which feed input same voltage to output 5 volts, and this potentiometer for adjustment, and this 2 resistors for the voltage divider cross. This is a 220 km. This potentiometer is 20 kilo. That again adjust input voltage. Some reason input voltage though too high, it cannot tell this voltmeter, so it's protect. And there is a fuse in resistor limited. Now close back. Carefully back, because now do a circuit diagram. Positive those under the resistor, which is the fuse or in resistor limited resistor 1 and 477 diode. Because some reason if you run polarity it can till not till the entire meter, so that's why it can use. And then this power smoothing by 1000 microfarad 16 volt. Then it goes positive to the 7 LO5, which is a regulator 10 volt input 8 minimum 8 to maximum 13 volt input to output constant 5 volt for turn on this IC. And there are voltage divider 220 ohm resistor for positive line and 3.9 kilo for negative line. And then we have middle in 22 kilo potentiometer. This potentiometer pointer wire is those to a IC pin number. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, pin number 15. And this and pin number 1 is positive for IC power. And pin number 7 for ground. Now those are 7 segment display. There are 2 types of 7 segment display. This time it looks like to mesh, but it is not. First, there are 7 LEDs. Just name says 7 segment. So there are 7 LEDs in each, and each place them are 8 digit configuration. Both negative common, some are both positive common and some are both negative common. That's why it says common anode and common cathode. So this is a common anode one. So this is a negative common and positive separately open, which then controlled by IC, driver IC individually. If for example these 2 LEDs turn on at same time, it acts like a 1. If these LEDs on and then these LEDs on and then these LEDs on, it acts like a 2, just like that. And then if we need a tree type, then these LEDs turn on, this LEDs turn on, and these LEDs turn on, and these LEDs turn on. So this test, it acts like a tree. So these are fundamental, but this is a single segment, I am sure. These are three segments all that are similar way, and these segments drive by these IC. So I never know because I try to read the IC number, but microcontroller or some sort of logic IC. Because this IC, I think a microcontroller because this IC is two things on the same package. One, it's measure the voltage, and other, it can control the fully segment because segment is controlling some sort of circuit need or ICs need to drive these segments of the LED. So I think this is some sort of microcontroller. But if you need to some sort of this, if you have this type of meter, you like to make a more powerful light input voltage, minimum 0 to maximum 30 volt, and you can change this, remove this regulator and connect a separate wire which is connected in this point, and you can supply negative and positive 5 volt in there to turn on separately meter, and then you can apply your measuring voltage, DC measuring voltage 0 to. Now I think I show you one more thing. If I connect this wire, keep in mind priority is not on. If any small mistake can kill your device, so that's why priority is matter in DC circuits. That's the main problem. DC circuit, if you connect around priority, then kill the device. 14.9. When I retrieve the voltage, so you can see it is maintained. It can measure minimum 8 volt. If accidentally I go 8 volt, meter brightness is low. So right now at 7 volts. You may see there are, when I increase the voltage little bit, display brightness is RI. When I move the voltage low, and it's down 1 milliamp. And when low voltage low, brightness is also low. That means if you need a high brightness, measure only 8 volt, never below 8 volt. But if you may try to measure a low voltage, then you can measure only, I say 5 volt. So easily 5 volt measure. Meter says you can measure minimum 8 volt to 30 volt. But if you try to measure 5 volt, it's still you can measure, but never below 5 volt. If you go 5 volt some reason, now you can see it shows 0. So minimum range is, I say, 5 volt. You could measure 5 volt to 30 volt, never go more than 30 volt. If voltmeter says minimum 8 volt, you could run this meter below them 8 volt, never them more than 30 volt. Because if you turn any equipment with low voltage, it requires input require voltage to low voltage, so you cannot tell your equipment. But if your equipment voltage says it's 10 volt, 12 volt, you can turn with 24 volt. That is not the idea at all. Only you can turn your equipment with its required voltage. If you have no required voltage present, then you can use a little bit lower voltage, not higher. And this is just when we can match to a pause.